two questions, but I'll ask the second one if there's enough time at the end. Rassie, Nathan here. Just addressing the elephant in the room. I spoke to Footy, the under-20s coach, and he gave his thoughts on the kit. But what are your thoughts on the training kit? The public has had this, and some compared the kit to teams like Golden Arrows, just to name a few. I mean, what was your first reaction when you saw the kit?
Yeah, well, I think my face, we had this cold weather here all the time, and today the sun beat down us in this cold weather, and you can see my face is all red. So I think we're pretty bright at this time, red faces and yellow clothes and gold clothes. And you know, the thing is, as long as the players are comfortable and the kit doesn't stop them from training really hard, you know, it might not be particularly what I like as Rassie, you know, but it's comfortable. It's designed for us at the highest level. I'm not talking about the colors and the color scheme and all of those kind of things, but you know, there's lots of technology that's in this kit. You know, I'm not fashionable. I'm not really sure what is when cool and what works. You know, as long as our jerseys when we play on Saturdays. You know, I like the green and gold. I like the old traditional jersey. You know, in our days when I played in 1998, we had golden like shorts in 1998 to 1999. I'm pretty sure we had. So this is training kit. You know, we train in it. We don't play in it. You know, I hope when the guys see the training jersey, and obviously we don't have a say in that. So, you know, you put it on the first day, it's comfortable. And the players train in it. It doesn't make a difference how they play. And you know, the fans and you guys only really see it on television. You don't see it on Saturdays when we play, because hopefully that's the green and gold, which we all like. So yeah, I don't think if that's the big thing that we're moaning about currently, you know, then I'll be pretty happy with that, because you know the results probably is the most important thing for us on Saturdays.